Leg strength after 60? This vitamin stops cramps and rebuilds muscle fast. Do you feel like with each passing day, your legs are getting a little weaker? Do you feel that insecurity in getting up from a chair, climbing a step, or even just walking around the house with the same confidence you used to have? And what about those terrible cramps that strike in the middle of the night, shattering your sleep and leaving an ache that lasts all day? Many people say this is just a part of getting older, something you have to accept. But what if I told you that's not true? What if I told you that muscle weakness and painful cramps might actually be a silent cry for help from your body for a specific vitamin? In this video, I'm going to reveal what that vitamin is. A powerful substance that can not only stop your cramps, but also help you rebuild your muscle strength faster than you can imagine. And most importantly, I'm going to show you how to boost its effect with simple, inexpensive foods you probably already have in your kitchen. Stay with me until the end, because the last tip I'll share is the link that connects the strength in your legs to a good night's sleep and your peace of mind. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss valuable tips like this one, and tell us which city you're watching from. I know how frustrating it is to feel your body losing its vitality. It's a feeling that chips away at our independence, at our joy for life. The fear of a fall, the difficulty of doing simple things like bending down to pick up a grandchild. This creates an anguish that few people understand. But today, I want to bring you a message of hope. We're not talking about expensive drugs or complicated solutions. We're talking about getting back to what's natural, about giving your body the raw material it needs to rebuild itself. Before we continue, a quick and important warning. This information is meant to help you, but it in no way replaces the guidance of your trusted doctor. So let's get to it. The first thing we need to understand is that muscle weakness and cramps after 60 are rarely just a part of aging. Think of your body as a house. Over time, it's natural for a few cracks and a bit of wear and tear to appear. But if the foundation of the house is weak, everything starts to crumble faster. Weakness and cramps are a sign that your foundation is in desperate need of an essential nutrient. But what most doctors don't tell you in their busy schedules is that this deficiency is one of the most common in people over 60 and one of the easiest to fix. Comment below, honestly, did you also think this weakness was just an unavoidable part of getting older? And the great hero of our story, the vitamin that forms the base of this foundation, is vitamin D. Yes, the famous sunshine vitamin. You might think, oh, but I get some sun now and then. The thing is, as the years go by, our skin loses its ability to produce vitamin D as efficiently, and a lack of it is devastating for your muscles. Vitamin D acts like a conductor in your body. It signals your muscle cells that it's time to grow and get stronger. Without it, your muscles can't absorb calcium properly, and calcium is essential for muscle contraction, for movement, for strength. Scientific studies show that seniors with adequate vitamin D levels have up to 30% more leg strength and a much lower risk of falls. Imagine, in just a few weeks, starting to feel more stability when you stand up from a chair, more confidence when you walk. That's what we're talking about. But pay attention. If you think vitamin D alone will solve everything, you're missing 50% of the solution. In a moment, I'll show you the secret partner it needs to truly put an end to your cramps. But wait, what about the cramps? Those sharp pains that wake you up at dawn? Vitamin D is the foundation of strength, but for cramps, it needs a partner. And here's the secret that few people know. The silent partner of vitamin D is a mineral called magnesium. Think of it this way. Vitamin D and calcium help your muscle to contract, to generate force. Magnesium is what helps your muscle to relax. When you're low on magnesium, your muscles are in a constant state of tension. They can't fully relax. And during the night, when your body is at rest, any small stimulus can cause that super tense muscle to fire off into a painful cramp. This is why many people, even when taking calcium, continue to suffer. They're missing the master of relaxation. Many people who adjust their magnesium levels report a decrease of more than 50% in cramps within the first week. It's an almost immediate relief. Who here suffers from these terrible cramps? Leave an I do in the comments so I know I'm not alone. Now you know the two secrets, but if you stop here, it will take months to see results. Stay with me for 3 more minutes and I'll give you the 3 foods that speed up this process in weeks. Now comes the best part. How can you get these 2 powerful nutrients cheaply and naturally? I promised, and I'll deliver. I'm going to give you 3 champion foods, accessible and ready to amplify these benefits. The first food is canned sardines. Yes, sardines! Don't turn up your nose at it. Sardines are one of the richest food sources of vitamin D, as well as being a fantastic source of protein, the building block for muscles, and omega-3, a natural anti-inflammatory that helps reduce aches and pains throughout the body. And the best part, they're very inexpensive. Just 2 sardines provide a good portion of your daily vitamin D needs. You can mash them with a little olive oil and lemon and eat them with a slice of whole wheat bread. Simple, fast, and powerful. The second food is our old friend, the egg. The egg is considered the perfect protein. It has all the amino acids your body needs to repair and build muscle mass. The yolk, which many people throw away for fear of cholesterol, is rich in nutrients, including some vitamin D. Don't be afraid of the egg. 2 boiled eggs a day can make a huge difference in your energy and the firmness of your muscles. Hold on, it's not over yet. The third food will shock you. It's something you probably have at home but never imagined was so powerful against cramps. And now the third food, which will surprise you, it's the sweet potato. And here's a secret few people know about it. Besides being a wonderful source of energy that doesn't cause sugar spikes like white potatoes, the sweet potato is incredibly rich in magnesium and potassium, the 2 minerals that are most helpful in preventing cramps. Cooking a small sweet potato and eating it as an afternoon snack or with dinner is like giving a calming balm to your muscles. Which of these 3 foods are you used to eating? Sardines, eggs, or sweet potatoes? Let us know in the comments. But it's no use having all this nutrition if you don't do this 30-second move I'm about to teach you. It's so simple. You can do it while watching TV, but so effective that in 30 days your legs will be unrecognizable. It's no use laying the best bricks and mortar for your building if the workers don't show up, right? That's why we need one last element, movement. And it doesn't have to be anything complicated. I'm going to give you the safest, most effective exercise there is for strengthening your legs. It's the chair sit to stand. That's right. Get a sturdy chair that won't slip. Sit on the edge with your feet planted firmly on the floor. Cross your arms over your chest so you don't use your hands. And then, using only the strength of your legs, stand up until you are fully upright. Then, sit back down in a controlled manner, without collapsing into the chair. Start by doing 5 repetitions. If that's easy, do 10. Do this every day. This simple movement activates the largest muscles in your legs and glutes, precisely the muscles that give you stability to walk and balance to prevent falls. By doing this 10 times a day, in 1 month, you will notice a huge difference in your confidence and strength. Who here commits to starting this exercise today? Leave an I am in the comments to make this commitment to your health. Before you run off to do all of this, stop. There's a specific order to do these things that can speed up your results by 3x. Let me explain it to you quickly. So, let's recap our strength rescue plan. We understand that the problem isn't just age, but a lack of specific nutrients. Our foundation is vitamin D to signal muscle growth. Our secret against cramps is magnesium, the relaxation mineral. We're going to boost all of this with 3 champion, inexpensive foods: sardines, eggs, and sweet potatoes. And we're going to activate this whole process with the most powerful and simple exercise there is: the chair sit to stand. Always remember that every body is a universe. What works quickly for one person might take a little longer for another. The important thing is consistency, kindness, and patience with your process. You didn't become weak overnight, and you won't regain all your strength overnight. But with each day that you nourish and move your body, you are taking a step toward your independence and your quality of life. I hope this video has lit a candle of hope in your heart and mind. Health is our most precious asset, and taking care of our body is also a way of taking care of our spirit. It is the sacred temple that allows us to live, love, and experience this world. May God bless each and every one of you with health, strength, and peace. If you felt in your heart that this message could help a friend, a family member, or a neighbor who might be feeling alone and hopeless with their pain, don't keep this information to yourself. Share this video. A simple click from you could be the start of a change in someone's life. Leave a like if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next tips for natural and accessible health. A big warm hug and God bless.